Welcome to Excel Tips and tip number 25. Today we're going to show you some, little handy tools which we've got around Excel by using right click. So we're going to start down the bottom here. We've only got sheets 1 to 3, so this it's going to show you something which probably wouldn't be too much of an issue at the moment. But if you right click on the arrows here, you'll actually see it brings up the sheet menu, and you can actually select which sheet you want to look at by seeing this. Now if I had sheets 1 to 100, that is a very, very useful command, because you've suddenly got a nice long list of all the sheets and you can quickly jump to the sheet that you want. So something which is very, very useful. Now if I quickly just go and give us some numbers. So here I've got 1 through to 11. Now what this is going to differ for 2003, 2007 and 11. 2003, by default, down the bottom here, you've just got a sum button. In 2007 and 11, I've got a couple extras how I've set my Excel up. But you should know that if you right click here, in 2003 it's a much shorter menu, but it will actually give you this section here. So sum, maximum, minimum, numeric, count and average. And by selecting that, it will actually change the data you've got down here. In 2007 and 10, as you can see, it actually gives you the answers for these which are selected, and you can select multiple to have along the row. And they'll just add them in there, which can be quite useful if you want to quickly find out what some data is averaging or summating to, especially when it's more complex numbers than this and longer numbers than this. You can quickly select them and say, right, well that's 66, and it can be very, very useful. So just a quick couple of handy hints that you might not know of that Excel has at the ready for you, essentially.